Io da noi qui i gatti non si mangiano, lo sai? Da noi qui i gatti non si mangiano, qui da noi i gatti si tengono in casa, come se fossero figli nostri.
Non è che io vai a
Non ho cosa, non ho cosa, non ho cosa, non vuol dire qui non siamo a dove vai tu? Dove vai tu? Ora ti mando io in galera, te ne vai in galera, te ne vai, vergogna. Guarda che stai a fare, vergognati, vergognati. Cosa? Cosa fai? Cosa? Cosa fai? Cosa? A mangiare, te ne vai al lavoro come lavorano tutti. Invece di tenere anche i sigaretti, i soldi ce li hai per le sigarette e non hai soldi per comprarti il pane? Vergognoso, schifoso, schifoso che non sei altro, schifoso, vergogna, guarda qua, guarda che sta a fare sta povera creatura, guarda qua, vergogna, vergogna, dove andate al vostro paese? Andatevene a mangiare, vedo che le sigarette qui ci sono però, quindi non è mangiare quelle. Non è mangiare, quelli non si comprano. Invece di comprarti 50 sigarette, comprati il pane invece di ammazzare la creatura. Sì, ti preoccupare. Ti preoccupare, vergognoso, schifoso. Pezzo di merda. Pezzo di merda.
soldi.
Ce l'hai i soldi, ce l'hai.
Questo è il troppo, è stato, ma è questo.
Ma è una cosa vergognosa, la stazione di Campiglia. Ha ammazzato un gatto. Sta cucinando un gatto qui alla stazione di Campiglia. Una cosa vergognosa. Da vergognarsi, da vergognarsi. È qui che cucina un gatto e... Ma siamo senza parole, la stazione di Campiglia. Sta cucinando un gatto e... non so cosa dire io.
Hello my people, how una dey? Una good afternoon. Abeg more na no vex so that video wey I do just now, I go put the video more na lis ten. For abroad again. Hey, for abroad again. This one happen for Italy. I will put am because for some of una wey no dey hear the language, that makes me quick talk wetin dem dey talk for there. This woman dey waka for road, una know na oyibo. Anything wey dem dey call dog, cat, any animal at all, dem dey protect them. This woman dey waka come for road. E come see say this black person, I no know where e for come, I no know the country, but na black person. Wetin dey do? E dey roast cat for road. Oh God! E dey roast am. Na the woman come dey tell am say, why you kill this cat? He say because food no dey, he wan eat am. Then that one tell am say, you know say for our place we dey carry all this cat, then they stay for inside house. Oh God, oh God. E dey roast am for road. He say because of food no dey. Why e be say some people they say if you reach if you go another man country, na wetin dem dey do, na you go dey follow dem dey do. Those people, all these people wey just dey newly dey come, because I believe say this one never reach 1 year for Italy there. he kill this cat, he dey roast am for road, and this woman tell am say he wan go report, he go go report say he kill cat, he dey roast am for road, say he wan eat am. Also na dey hear me more na no vex. Oh God, as I see the video now, I say me I still share am. I go put the original video for them more na see am, because wetin dem dey talk, no be everybody go know wetin dem dey talk. As I just see am now, say God, which kind thing be this one? Wetin dey happen? Cat wey dey, no say oyibo, some of oyibo dey, even though say dem no eat, they ready to spend 500 euro a month to buy food for their cats with their dog. No touch am, no touch their cat or their dog. Hey, this one just dey roast am for road. I'll put the video so now see am well. For those of una when I still dey hear Italian language, una hear where the woman dey tell am say, why you kill this cat? Why you kill am? They stay for inside house. That one, the man dey tell am say food not there, he wan eat am. He said they no dey eat a cat for this. Now wow. Some people wetin dem here wey me no more go wa oya so wetin dem carry come for Africa, they will make sure say they carry am put for here. Now so they go see, okay, like this one now if they go report now, they say na camp, because na camp, na the camp area na this thing for happen. If they go report now no say anything, if you maltreat a dog or cat, then they come for you. Anybody wey just see you, go donation to see as we see wetin happen. E no come see 2 euro or 3 euro to go buy meat for this thing for supermarket. E go kill the cat, they roast am for road. Even do the something say when they do am for main road, now where they pass, so everybody go they see. If when they do am for main road, that one now you go report, say see the video, see everything. They'll come say black people don't start, because me I don't know where this one for come. This black one, this black person, I don't know the country where it be, because I just say na black person and na camp. You there for camp, not be say they not they give you food eat, because anybody where there for camp where say they not they give them food, na lie then they lie. Well, now so now. When you there for another man land, you see wetin dem dey do. Follow them, they do that thing. No carry your own come, because you know there for your own country, not be your own country you dey. Now their own, wetin dem dey do, you follow them, still they do am. This one no, see am now. When they'll come still talk now, they'll say Italian people no good. Who tell una say Italian people no good? Now they be the best for Europe. As for me, now they be the best for Europe. This kind of thing no fit happen for Germany now. It no fit happen, not true. Because they too see all these Italian people finish. They too see them finish. You come another man country, you they do anyhow. Do as they say they do. At least, maybe for that camp, they'll still they give them money. Una know say for Italy, Italian people, they take care, they take care pass their old people, all these people where they come, all these black people where they come from another country, then they take care pass their old people. Even their people, they even the verse say, the way when I say they handle all these people where they come from another country, now not they do us like that. Why? Not truth. You know why? Because Italian people, then too, what they call orgoglioso. As I talk now, orgoglioso. That is, then too, they get that pride. Where they don't want me another person, they tell them say then they bad, so they don't want to pass their self. You understand? They do pass their self, make them say we too good. Now make them they do that thing, because Italian people will be Italian, they vex say the way when I tell they take care of all these people where they come, and I know they treat us like that, because you go see they know they make them anything at all when they ask them, they give them. But all these our people where they for camp, they will say they know they treat them good. Which everybody knows say na like say that they treat them good. You see, the person now just carry cats. He kill am. He dey roast am for main road. Even they tell the woman say food not there. Say he want eat am. Now that one they quarrel say how you go kill a cat? They eat am. We dey treat them as pikin. We dey put them for inside house. I'll put the original video. Someone for see the video. Because wetin you dey do for Africa, maybe you dey eat a dog, you dey eat a cat, you dey eat am for that side. You no come carry am come, because here now you never see any You never see any of them. They carry their cats, they kill and they eat them. They know they do them. Even some of these white people say, they would vex, say, why you go they kill a cow or a chicken? Then some of them they vex. Don't say, animal when they tell they do picking. Oh, we are then here where one more. They tell they do picking. You will see some people now, some more the day or when they go late, they go write a will down, say anything where you get, more carry and give a cat or a dog. Did it tire me as I see the video, I just put my hand for my head, say, hey, this one, I never even see this one before. Where this one for comment? This one now, maybe it just come, never even take away, come. Maybe you just see the cat, go say, hey, you know, I know, say, some people now, they eat them for our place. I never eat them before, I don't know as it be. They will say, hey, you go say, all this cat will just the pass now. If I catch her now, I will just, you know, let this one do so. Let this one do so. You will see some people and they will say their dog he lost or their cat he lost. And they will say, so they will just print and come out, write and put, say, I beg, this cat lost, or anybody where see him, I go give. Oh God. Anybody where see him, I beg, call so this number. I get something to give you if you see my dog or my cat. I dey see everything with it. Now wow, my people, the thing just tire me as I see and I say, I don't know where this one for come. Whether na Nigeria, whether na Senegal, whether na Gambia, I don't know where for come. But na black person now, as say it be, because the Italian language where they speak self, not clear. He say Iwa Majari. That one they tell us. I go put the video more na watch her. I go put the thing tire me as I see the thing just tire me now. I say, hey, what it be this one? Because I play the video for live this thing, not talk. So I go put the original video more na watch her. Some of una wey see the hear Italian language, una the hear where the woman they shout for her. Una know Igbo now. Some Igbo we really love all this animal. They know they use it until they play with anybody. That one of the video and carry a phone for hand the video now. And another person I video this one where this one where me they show. So another person that one they talk say what they do. Say na cat. Say na cat and they roast for them. No so Igbo be. When they go still go fire them for that camp now, they will say, oh, Igbo people don't start again. They know they use all these things till they play with anybody. They know they use that play because they treat them and they treat their own children. So even some people they self, you go buy this carrot when they take the carrot picking, they will put their dog for inside, put their cat for. They treat her like baby. Maybe this one now where the cat now where this one kill now person you know say some cat there now they will get something for with the corner whether they put something for their neck. Maybe for no say now family cat now it be. Maybe now this one just carry for Joshua now kill her and the person will get and go they find and they go. You know say oh now wow. They will go they do not say my cat lost and they say one person for this side now they roast and they just they do it for main road the worst part of it. They can't they do it for road. Now make that woman for seeing. I will put the video, Sister Stella. I will put her because I will they play and just not agree play. So I go put the original one so that people where they hear the language now they hear when the woman they attack and say, I go denuncia you. Who tell you this a cat will they treat them like picking for his house, that they stay for his house. Now so now. So even some of them, even though say they don't get money to eat, they're ready for their own animal. Treat them well because they believe say now they are picking. So this one just carry a killer. If they roast for road, say one eater. Now wow, my brothers and sisters, I will put the video. If I just finish now, so I'll put her. I just see and the thing just surprised me now. So I never even see this kind of thing before. Since we are there abroad, I never see person where they roasted this thing for road. You go say killer, say one chopper. You know see money to go buy food. Now animal now you want to eat like this one now. Maybe really now it go be person it go be person near there. You there for camp. You know if it all say they know they give you food they eat. They give you. They treat you now well because all these our people what did they do for Italy? They know if it try to another country because Italia they're very kind and they're very good. They too I don't open mind. No say, and the way when they take they do self, you don't know because some of them they talk to the anyhow the country will not be your own. Like this one now, as if this lady now don't video now. It go really as she talk and say she go denuncia, she go do one. Una go here for the video, I go put her. As she talk and say, I go denuncia you, I go put. She go really do one because the lady way stand for there they talk so I believe say now those people will love animal when we know say some Igbo dey he love animal like say na another thing he love them na make am stand they talk to them because some of them they don't care they go just pass e go pain am but e no talk but this one wey stand come the video na that kind person where if you even if you kick animal say maybe all this dog or this thing if you do it go stand it go stand for you say why you go do that kind you know now that kind person and that lady be as I take see the video I go put the video as I take talk because as she talk and say she wan go denuncia because that place where that boy for the roast this bush meat na a bush meat na camp na there be some people they eat some people they eat Sister Stella. Some people they eat they'll say that they eat and they hear when some people they talk say if you even dog say that they eat they will that is from their side though. But what they know they do for year, maybe they not come they do one. Because if they come they do one, you know say they'll come they insult, they'll say the thing say na so we be. Say as you stay, you will if you eat a dog and cat, you go fit still eat human being because they believe say this cat and dog na human being for them. Now they are picking, then they treat them as same they be. So go bath them well. If you see the way when they do, they not even they maintain their self as they do some of animals. So they buy gold, they go put am for a neck. It dey. You go say this thing you go say no if you see one you get one woman that time wey the woman before the woman late he write am for ground say this is cat whether na 7 cats na he get that time be I no know he will everything for a cat so anybody wey wan take care of they go dey take care the money put am for bank for a cat not be say na person not be say na human being. Now wow my brothers and sisters I just see the something now say me a quick put am for na more see wetin dey go on I go still put the original for here so more see and say see wetin dey happen because no be all Igbo dey do as this woman take do some of them they not care go just pass but the thing go pain now I believe say this woman na person wey love animal you know say some of them dey inside their house they go get me I don see person wey get 7 cats e get 8 dogs. Then dey for inside a house now say as una take dey live he say dem get one room wey dem dey stay now say na wetin he just love na wetin he like that one na go carry one say you wan go roast am hey my brothers and sisters me I leave una me I put the video more na watch am dem say okokoro nyanda say what you work by your talk or you knock by woduku because all these people wetin you know see say dem dey do not do one because if you can't do one problem come burst now everything no say some that area now if people wey love animals dey there dem go fire dem for the camp wey dem dey for there how you go kill am you remove him life you wan eat am who be dem come say dem dey fight dem for camp na wow na wow. My brothers and sisters, na so I see am na so I see am. Na so I see am. I go put the video more na watch am So human being na so he talk he say he wan eat am. Now see am I put am. That one say why you kill am? He say he wan eat am say nothing dey to eat. Now that one ask am say why you get money to buy cigar why you no come see the money wey you take buy that cigar wey you dey smoke why you no use am take buy food to eat why you go kill this innocent cat? I go see am so that those of una wey dey hear Italian language una see where the woman even dey talk for them. Una bye bye my brothers and sisters me I put the video more na watch am na do one na bye bye.